During our bathroom and closet remodel, I installed a custom pocket door, and the last step is to make the split jamb to cover the gap and conceal the hardware at the top of the door opening. In order to do this, the jamb needs to be removable so the door can be serviced or removed. This can be achieved a few different ways, but I decided to use 3/8 inch donut magnets fastened to both the framing and the jamb. I screwed 3 magnets to each side of the frame and then used a marker to create a stamp so I knew exactly where to put the magnets on the jamb. After getting the magnets positioned correctly, I used a Forstner bit to drill a recess for the magnet and secured them in place with some superglue. I wanted the magnets to be recessed the same depth as 2 magnets so the jamb would be tight to the perfectly level framing, just like as if it was permanently secured with nails. The reason I use superglue instead of screws is because the hole of the magnet is beveled and a screw wouldn't sit flush due to the polarity of the magnet. I tested the fit and made some minor adjustments, and when it was perfect, I trimmed out and painted the rest of the door. To me, this is a really slick look that finishes off the pocket door and no one would ever know that the jamb is removable. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, give me a like and a follow for more DIY content like this.